Hey guys, so there are two ways how we're going to reset the hot point for each. The first way is that just put everything to the lowest temperature. Then you just want to press and hold this button right here and this button right here when it's going to be turned on. And you're going to press and hold it for like 10 to 15 seconds and then it's going to beep. So you're going to press and hold it, it's going to beep. And then you're going to remove your fingers from these. And then again, you are going to change the temperature to whatever you want. If this doesn't work out, what then you need to do is that you need to like completely plug it off for about 15-20 minutes or even during the whole night. So that could also possibly help you, and let it just completely during the whole night and to defrost if you need defrosting, and then you can just like use it. So these are like two ways how you can reset it. And hope this video helped you at least a little bit what you can do and how you can fix the issues. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.